Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to use pwReviews, which helps your office get online reviews via text and email. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up patients and automatically send review requests, understand how patients complete reviews and post to your website and social media, review your happiness score and your patient reviews. Thanks for signing up for pwReviews. This smart tool will quickly improve your practice's online reputation and attract new patients. That is very important as most patients now choose their dentist based on online reviews alone. Let's first discuss how to make sure your patients will get the review request. In the patient info section of the family module, each patient should have a valid cell phone number and a valid email address entered in these fields. You do not need to enter the patient's wireless carrier. Also, make sure that either the double question marks or the yes is selected under text OK. If a patient has opted out of getting text from your office, you can enter no here and they won't get any review requests. Now that your patients are set up, let's discuss how the review requests are automatically sent out. pwReviews will send review requests to all patients who have completed appointments that day. So please make sure that your team right-clicks and sets complete the appointments. Patients typically get review requests by the end of the day. Please note that patients with multiple appointments in a short time span will only get one review request every 60 days. This is so patients don't get annoyed by multiple review requests if they have ongoing treatment. Now let's go over how patients complete reviews and post happy comments on your social media sites. Patients first get this type of text message with a link to the review. They'll also get this type of email where they can click the button to submit a review. After the patient taps the link or button, they'll first be asked to give a star rating. This is how we automatically filter the happy reviewers from the bad ones. You can pick the minimum star rating, say 4 stars, as the threshold. If a patient gives you a high rating, that review will automatically be posted to your website. During the install, we'll provide the code to link this up with your website. And also, the happy patient will get direct links to your social media sites where they can leave a happy comment. If the patient gives you a bad rating, they won't get posted to your website, and they will not get your social media links. Instead, they simply get this comment box to explain why they're upset, and you'll get to see this internally in Practice Web so you can address their concerns. With pwReviews, you can track your happiness score and individual patient reviews right from within Practice Web. Click on the pwReviews button here, and then log into the customer portal. Here is an example of your happiness score. You can see for any date range your overall rating, a snapshot of your best and worst ratings, and how many reviews are sent, completed, or pending. Also, you can see how your happiness rating has evolved over the past year with this chart below. That really helps you see whether patients are happier or upset with any recent changes or improvements you've made to the practice. Another great section is patient reviews. Here, you can look at all of the completed reviews by the patient. You can see the appointment date, review date, the rating, and any comments. You can now follow up with any patients as needed, for example, to resolve any concerns they may have. This completes our overview of how the patient reviews work in Practice Web. If you have any questions about something that was not covered in this tutorial, please call support at 800-845-9379 option 2 or email us at support@practice-web.com.